20-year-old Kodak Black, whose real name is Deuce and Octave, was arrested last night after an incident at his Pembroke Pines.
Rapper Kodak Black.
Right now, and it's unclear at this hour what's going to happen with Kodak Black.
You my girl, you my shorty. If I call on you, know you falling through shortly. I wanna be down with you, baby, like you hold me. I wanna be down with you, baby, like you hold me. Is you making time for me, baby, like my roadie? I want you to ride for me, baby, like my roadie. And I ain't gon' lie, I can't even much forfeit. Lately I've been stacking all the paper like it's poison. Life again till I die, nigga, I ain't gon' forfeit. She just want for me to come and paint her like a portrait. She just want for me to put her up like she a trophy. Selling white girls, selling soul, call her Sophie. Running game like it's poetry. Young nigga charge it to the game like a Murphy. She FaceTiming with a meme. Took out the punch bucket, put her in a beamer. My bitch 19 of her, she bad like she Trina. I'm doing me, drink the tequila, smoking sativa. I make time cause you my baby. Just like I'm busting out an AB. I make time cause you my baby. Feel like I'm busting out an AB. Feel like I'm busting out an AP. Keep me on hard, you make me go to hardest. Don't matter how far, pull up when you call me. When I'm behind bars, I be facing charges. You the one I call, cause you keep it solid. You know I'ma catch you when you falling. Remember I used to have you in the projects. You gon' fall through just like in August. So I'ma pick up when you call me. You the reason I ain't going insane yet. You the reason I ain't lose my brain yet. You the reason I don't stand sane. I'm popping out with you to hide the pain. I'm popping out with you to hide the shame. I never need a pill for the pain. You gon' fall through, so I make sure that you fly in the plane. You gon' fall through, so I make sure you my main squeeze. I had to make sure you my main thing. You gon' fall through, so I pick up when you ring me. Late nights in a lawyer, flexing in a J, hitting licks in a Yoda. That's the only reason that I had to go. She was fucking with me, I was with her way before. When I was kicking doors and I was whipping up the soda. Whipping up the soda, you could call me Coca-Cola. She my soldier. You my girl, you my shorty. If I call you, know you falling through shorty. You gon' pull up like the Marshall. Snipe again, land on a nigga with binoculars. Pull up like on holiday, we seen with the chopper. Holiday season, we gon' ball like it's Hanukkah. I'm married to this shit, so sit back and get comfortable. Mama call me Bill, cause we living like the hospital. I just wanna be down like you hold me. Make time like you my rollie. You gon' ride like my body.
Go. You know I ain't playing. 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 Who the fuck in that knock right now selling them pounds? Send a location, we gon' take them down. We going in and we moving them out. 4 young niggas and we start with them rounds. We taking everything, wiping them out. So take a minute, they come out his mouth. I take some rest and I shoot out of town. These niggas ain't on that shit that we on. I ain't trusting no bitch, they ain't loyal. They full of hatred, man, I swear that they is. Tryna get me up out of my money. Then they sit and claim that they don't need you. Told that bitch you can leave cause I really don't need you. Don't want me to treat you so hard, I'ma leave you. Fuck your relations, we get to this place. Steady stacking that money so tall I can't see you. I ain't got my money, they don't call for no feature. Fuck these rappers, know I don't wanna need you. You know I'm real hot, just like a heater. Neck real cold, just like a freezer. Mind full with a whole lot of demons. The real really every time that I'm preaching. If I wanna touch them, bet I'ma reach them. Foreign whip, lead the scene just screeching. You know I ain't playing. 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 You know that we can do it up. Right now I'm coolin' with my brothers, yeah. I'm talking cold-blooded steppers, totally been for the go and get the shovel. This shit that I'm on make me feel special, yeah. You know I ain't playing. 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 Fuck the industry, won't let them take me on the fuck. Take care of my family, all I ever wanted. Stack up my money, all I ever wanted. I don't fit in with these niggas, I won't change for nothing. Fuck up a pit, I know about it. Shoot out with that strap, I can tell you about it. Running up a chick, and I get it. All night adding up that money, and I'm steady counting. I grew up in venues, you know, for the figure. I've been in the streets ever since that I was little. Ever since that I was young, I wanted to be that nigga. I watched my daddy beat my mama, I couldn't even help. But you know I had to go up shit and now I'm older. Nigga better not play like that, I put that on Dave, I'ma fold him. Jumped off the porch, I got him beat for gun that I was told him. I ain't had nobody but to save me, my own, I could hold it. Nigga think I'ma burn me, boy, God, and I'ma up, get the shooting, ain't no horn sound. Everything that I say, yeah, I'm sure about it. Nigga, this I won't speak, I'ma see about it. Running, ducking from bullets, I know about it. Niggas rapping about shit and ain't riding about it. We up in the streets, we ain't hiding about it. Yeah, we up in the streets, we ain't hiding about it. Fuck the industry, won't let them take me on the fuck. Take care of my family, all I ever wanted. Stack up my money, all I ever wanted. I don't fit in with these niggas, I won't change for nothing. Fuck up a pick, I know about it. Shoot out with that strap, I can tell you about it. Running up a chick, and I get her. All night adding up that money, and I'm steady counting.